Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 10. Its title is Eidul Adha. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to start reading and understanding of this unit. Before this, in Unit 5, you have learned how to use post-reading strategies to respond to the text, applying word knowledge and own opinion to the text read. So we are going to learn further to use post-reading strategies to respond to the text by relating what is read to their own experiences. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah As-Safat, verse 102, whereafter when he, the boy, reached an age in which he could work with him, he, Ibrahim alayhi salam, said, "O my little son, I have seen in a dream that I'm slaughtering you. So consider what is your opinion." He said, "Oh my dear father, do what you have been ordered to do. You will find me, inshallah, if Allah wills, one of those who endure patiently." Yes, my dear children, Peter, what this beautiful verse tells us. This verse is telling us a story of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Prophet Ismail alayhi salam. So when Prophet Ismail alayhi salam was grown up and he turned into a grown-up boy, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam saw in a dream that he is slaughtering his son, and the dreams of prophets are true. So he asked his son, "I saw in dream I'm slaughtering you." And what the son replied, "Oh my dear father, do whatever you have been ordered. So I'm ready, slaughter me." So beta, in the remembrance of this beautiful sunnah of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, we slaughter animals on Eidul Adha, right? So this is a sunnah, and it reminds us that our love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the biggest. It should be the biggest love, and when this is the biggest, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with many blessings, right? So let's start our lesson. First, you tell me, where can you buy animals from, and on which Eid we sacrifice animal? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could answer these questions, and now it's time for reading from the very first line. I'm going to start reading. This is a text about Eidul Adha. Listen carefully, because after me you have to read it. Eidul Adha is a religious festival in Pakistan. It is also called Eid-e-Qurban. Muslims celebrate it on the 10th of Zulhajj every year. Every year, people buy sheep, goats, camels, and cows before the Eidul Adha. They feed animals and take good care of the animals. Especially, children enjoy their time with the animals. They feed them fodder and hay. Their free time is mostly spent with them. They do not want to see the animals being sacrificed. And what does sacrifice means? Give up. They give up their life, they sacrificed. So who feed fodder and hay to the animals? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children. So what's next? On the first day of Eidul Adha, they get ready for the Eid prayer. Mostly they wear new dresses. So here I'm stopping reading. It's your time. Pause the video, read the text again, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with reading? Okay, so it's time for an activity, and what the activity is, teacher will ask the students one by one to tell how do you spend your Eid al-Adha. So this is how better we are reading about Eid al-Adha. So how do you relate this with your own experience? How do you spend your Eid al-Adha? Pause the video, enjoy the activity, tell everything, whatever you do on Eid al-Adha to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope all of you enjoy your Eid in a very nice way. So it's time for comprehension. These are the questions from the text we read. So teacher, kindly take the answers of these questions orally first, and then students will write the answers in their notebook. So pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay. So it's time for your homework. You will discuss with your parents about a memorable Eid al-Adha. So ask them what was the Eid they do remember and what was special about it. They must have many things to tell you. So tomorrow you will share this story in the class. So listen carefully, and tomorrow you will tell the same story in your class. This is your homework. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to use post-reading strategies to respond to the text by relating what is read to their own experiences, right? So we just read about Eid al-Adha, and we also told how do we spend our Eid al-Adha. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. We'll complete reading of this unit. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.